Here we have a problem on ratio. Okay, let's go with the information. Anand earns $80 in 7 hours and Pramod the $90 in 12 hours. A ratio of their earnings is. Okay, here we have the earnings for two people, Anand and Pramod, and we have to find the ratio of their earnings. Okay, whenever I want to find ratio of two quantities, both the quantities must be of same kind. Okay, here the first quantity is in dollars, that is $80. The second one is also in dollars, that is $90. But we don't have both the quantities for the same rate, that is not for the same timing. Here Anand earns $80 for 7 hours, but Pramod earns $90 for 12 hours. Okay, to do ratio of the earnings of these two people, my first work is to get the earnings for the same rate, that is for the same time. So usually it's for 1 hour. So if Anand earns $80 in 7 hours, how much will he earn in 1 hour? Let me do the calculation over here. So Anand. So to find the earning of Anand in 1 hour, what I have to do is I have to divide the given earning by the given time. That is 80 over 7. So this is the earning of Anand in just 1 hour. The same thing we have to do for Pramod. Let me do it. So the earning of Pramod is equal to 90 divided by 12. That is, he is earning $90 in 12 hours. And the earning of Pramod in just 1 hour, we have to divide the total earning by the total time. So 90 or 12, I think this can be simplified. So the greatest common divisor for both 90 and 12 is 6. That is 6 goes into 12 2 times and 6 goes into 90 1 times 15. Okay, 15 over 2. So the simplification of 90 over 12 is just 15 over 2. Okay, now I got the earnings of both the people per hour. This is earning of Anand per hour and this is the earning of Pramod per hour. Now we have the earnings for the same time duration, that is for 1 hour. Now we can do ratio of the earnings of the two people, Anand and Pramod. Let me do this separately. So the ratio of the earnings of Anand and Pramod is equal to 80 over 7 to 15 over 2. Okay, I got the ratio, but whenever I get ratio as an answer for a question, so the terms of the ratios must be positive integers, but here the terms of the ratio are fractions. So what we have to do is we have to convert these terms, these fractions to integers. For that, what we have to do is we have to consider the denominators over here, 7 and 2. What is the least common multiple of 7 and 2? It's 14. Okay, now to get rid of the two denominators 7 and 2, what I have to do is I have to multiply both the terms of the ratio by the least common multiple of 7 and 2, that is 14. So now let me multiply the first term, 80 over 7 by 14. The second term, 15 over 2 by 14. Okay, so whenever I multiply or divide both the terms of the ratio by the same non-zero number, so the resulting ratio will be equal to the original ratio. So the ratio which I get over here by multiplying the first term by 14, second term by 14 is equal to the original ratio we have over here. Okay, now let's do some simplification over here and here. 7 goes into 7 1 time, 7 goes into 14 2 times, 80 times 2 is 162, and now 2 goes into 2 1 times, 2 goes into 14 7 times. Okay, 15 times 7 is 105. Okay, now I got the terms of the ratio as positive integers, and also if there is any possible simplification, we have to do it. To simplify this ratio, what we need to do is we have to check whether there is any greatest common divisor for these two terms, 160 and 105. I think the greatest common divisor for these two numbers is just 5. So we can divide both the terms of this ratio by 5. As I said already, when I multiply or divide the terms of the ratio by the same non-zero number, so the resulting ratio will always be equal to the original ratio. Okay, here I divide these two terms, the two terms of the ratio by 5. The resulting ratio will be equal to this original ratio. Okay, when I divide 160 by 5, I am getting 32, and when I divide this 105 by 5, I am getting 21. So we cannot do any more simplification. So this is the final answer. That is, this is the ratio of the earnings of Anand and Pramod, that is 32 to 21. We find this ratio 32 to 21 in answer choice A. So the correct answer choice for this question is A.